everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some macaroni salad, my mom's style. So stick with us. We're going to use my recipe book to make my mom's macaroni salad. Need the onion and celery, which I don't use, but you should use 1 small onion and 1 stalk of celery if you like it. 2 cups of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mustard, a teaspoon of celery seed, a teaspoon of ground mustard, salt, pepper, and some hard-boiled eggs and paprika. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to get your pot and you're going to put some water in it. You're going to take your pot and you're probably going to fill it 1/2 to 3/4 full. You're going to bring this to a boil before you add your macaroni noodles. And we're going to cook them until they're al dente. We don't want them overdone. You're also going to put a pot on and you're going to boil some eggs, and we're going to let them cool and set them aside because we're going to use them in the macaroni salad. Some people add oil right into their water. I don't like to do that, but I do like to add a little bit of salt. So you want to let these boil for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to drain them. That way they're al dente. All right, our noodles are done. We're just going to drain them here. So I stick my little Otato crabby guy on there. And then we want to run some cold water through this so that they stop cooking. We're going to drain those real good. Cook these for about 6 minutes so that they're just al dente. They're not soft and mushy. And we're going to drain them off real well. We're going to let them cool. Now that they're drained and rinsed, we're going to take some of the baso garlic oil and just sprinkle a little bit in there and swish it around. And that way, as they cool, they don't mash together. So I have 1 cup of mayonnaise here. And a 2nd cup of mayonnaise. Make sure we get that all out of there. Now you can use Miracle Whip if you want, salad dressing, half and half mayonnaise, half Miracle Whip. That's all up to you on what you like for your consistency. So you want 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So there's 2, and let's add 1 more tablespoon here. And you need 4 tablespoons of sugar. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 tablespoons of mustard. I'm just using the French's mustard, but you can use any kind of mustard you want, like a stone ground, a Dijon, anything like a spicy, whatever you want, but we're just going to use the plain old regular French's mustard. All right, get that all out of there. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of celery seed. And 1 teaspoon of the ground mustard. Now you would normally add your 1 small chopped onion and your 1 cup of celery finely chopped as well. We don't care for that in there, but I am going to add a little bit of this granulated onion just to give it a little bit more flavor. Again, that's all optional. You can put carrots in it. Basically, some people put green peppers, red peppers, you know, anything you want. This is just the salad my mother made. You're going to add salt and pepper to your liking. So we're just going to go in with some pepper here. And then we're going to go in with some salt. The last thing you want to do is put your eggs in it. I have this, which I think is actually just a strainer, pureer for tomatoes to keep the skin and the seeds in. But I have found like this little hack that this thing works perfect for squishing up the eggs real nice. So I'm going to go ahead and pop 2 of my eggs down in here. And I have 2 more to decorate the top. We're just going to squish them in. You see what a nice job that does? I mean, just look at that. It makes it all nice and fine. This is perfect for making egg salads too. Like, I know this is not the intent of this contraption, but I find it amazing for this. See how nice that makes those? All right, so we're just gonna mix this all up, folks, and make it nice and creamy. Obviously, with the mushed up eggs in there, it's not gonna be smooth creamy, but we're just gonna get all those flavors working together. All right, so we got that mixed. I'm just gonna give it a little taste test here to see, you know, if I got the salt and pepper and everything just right. That's perfect, folks. You see, adding those that little bit of oil has helped keep this not to stick. And we're just going to add this right on in here. And we're going to mix this all together and get that good and coated. So I'm just going to kind of fold it in because I picked a bowl that was just the right size and not a mixing size wise. So we're just going to carefully fold that in and get it all wet. All right, so there you have it all mixed in. Listen to that creaminess. This, you can add horseradish to this if you want. I've done that. It's pretty good to add a horseradish to it. This is my mom's version of Pennsylvania Dutch Amish macaroni salad. Like I said, of course, you would add the celery And the onions, I just do not. I'm gonna top it with some smoked paprika. And I'm gonna cut my eggs up on the top of this just to make it nice and pretty. Give it a little extra since there's eggs in it, but this just makes it look nice. I don't plate or stage real well, but you get the picture. And then again, I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of parsley, just for some pizzazz. I'd set that in the refrigerator till it's nice and cool, and then you're good to go. Check that out. Macaroni salad, the bomb. Right there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you the next time.